Hello, and welcome to TekBoost TV. Today, I'm going to show you how to install memory into an HP Z8 G4 Workstation. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer to make sure the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you will not need any tools. Take special note to review memory terms and their relevance, including memory rank, chip count, and DIMM size. There are a total of 24 2933 DDR4 DIMM slots on the motherboard, with 6 channels per processor and 2 DIMMs per channel. The system can support up to 1.5 terabytes of memory with 2 processors using RDIMMs, and up to 3 terabytes with 2 processors using 3DS-LR DIMMs. Please keep in mind that you cannot mix different types of memory. The system will not work if LRDIMMs, RDIMMs, or 3DS-LR DIMMs are intermixed. For optimal performance, DIMMs should be equally distributed across all 6 memory channels. Ensure you are populating the DIMM slots in the order shown on the screen, and note that the load order changes when a second CPU is installed. At least one DIMM must be inserted into the channel to achieve maximum memory bandwidth. Since there are many possible memory configurations, we suggest reviewing the chart on the screen to identify optimal balanced memory placements. Unbalanced RAM population can reduce memory bandwidth by up to 33% from its maximum potential. Although other configurations may work, they will introduce additional overhead that will slow down data transfer speeds. Keep in mind that on one hand, RAM assemblies with fewer modules reduce the maximum achievable memory bandwidth, but require less energy and make future expansions to your system memory easier. To begin, ensure your computer is powered off and the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the light is completely shut off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. To open the system, lift the latch found on the side and remove the panel to reveal the interior. Next, you'll have to push the blue tab on the air shroud, then lift up to reveal the memory banks. To install memory into its memory slot, align the memory with the proper slot and press down, ensuring both retainer clips snap into place and the stick is securely installed. Lastly, you will need to replace the air shroud and reattach the outer panel. Please check out our how-to videos covering processor, RAM, hard drive, and video card installations, as well as general product overviews for this and other systems. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We welcome suggestions on how to make these more useful, so please don't be shy requesting more content.